Well, howdy, howdy, howdy. Nearly senior citizen here. Greetings, boys and girls, and welcome to this. Me trying to make it so it's not as quiet in this video. I don't know what happened. Last video was super quiet, and I'm very sorry about that. But this is another reaction video. Yay, another reaction video, reaction video, reaction video. I'm gonna fall out of my chair. I'm not really gonna fall out of my chair. I just was playing around. What I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna grab a hamster again. Hello. 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 Wake up. Wake up. I'm not gonna kill you and eat you. Today. Today. It's little Squeak Jr. again. With the little hole in her ear. Can you see the hole in her ear? Right there? That's such a cute little hole in her ear, isn't it? I don't know if it's cute, but I think she's cute. She's a cutie. She is Little Miss Aggressive. She'll bite your face off and enjoy it. Not really, but she is a sweetie. I like her a lot. Hopefully I'm not so quiet this time. I'm very sorry it was quiet so much last time. Gosh, I don't know what I'm going to do. Anyway, though, this is Firebird. It's a song by the group White Noise. The album was done back in 1969, An Electric Storm. Now, hopefully you're not the kind of people that just say, gosh, you know, that's old, therefore not good. Really, aside from technological achievements and things like that, music has not really advanced incredibly in the past 40 or 50 years. After the Beatles, the only real big thing that's come along has been rap. And even that, you know, rap, hip hop, all that, it's still just an offshoot of music that we've already had. Rap artists, hip hop artists have already talked about how we would not have a hip hop / rap movement now if it hadn't been for the Beatles. So much of what the Beatles pioneered is what they use to make music today. But there's never been another huge push past that like the Beatles since. It's just been variations and improvements on the genres we have now. Which is okay. I mean, there's only so much that a human society can change in so many years. Really, though, I'm just trying to say is just because this is 1969 doesn't mean it's bad. Please, if you can, listen, it's very good. This is White Noise was an odd group. They did some really weird stuff, but at the same time off this album here, An Electric Storm, they did some amazing stuff as well. This one is more of a normal mainstream type song off of that album, but it's still different enough that I'm hoping that you will really enjoy this. Now, I talk over the top of my reaction videos for a couple of reasons. I cannot pause my video while talking because I talk so often. If I pause while talking, it would be a logistics nightmare trying to sync that back up together. It would take it 5 days to edit a 5-minute video, and I am not going to put myself through that. So I do not pause my videos. I cannot wait until the end to talk because with my fibromyalgia, past history of alcoholism, and my current use of cannabis for treatment of my fibro, my short-term memory is shot. So if I don't say what I think when I think it, it's gone. So if I just wait till the end, I don't have anything to say, and then I got no video. So I gotta talk over the top of it. It's, you know, it's a system that works for me. It might drive you crazy, but it's a system that works for me. So I'm sincerely hoping that you do enjoy White Noise and Electric Storm. If enough people do enjoy it, I will react to some more songs off of this album. So here's hoping. So right now, let us watch, let us listen to, let us enjoy, and let us react to White Noise and Electric Storm, Firebird, right now. Yeah, it's audio only, no video, so it's a touch loud. Started off with a big punch.
When I took her in hoping she'd stay, milk and honey fed in a feathered bed, she got well and my love flew away. Firebird, fly high, fly free. I can't hold you down. You're too wild for me.
Not that I've heard this 1.5 million times, really. I mean, I have, I guess. Wouldn't be karaokeing. I wouldn't be lip syncing. Karaokeing, whatever that might be as a verb.
In the nest we knew, but the feathers and straw had gone cold. Then at night I dream you come back to me, and your warm body with me to hold. Firebird, fly high, fly free. I can't hold you down. You're too wild for me.
Now here's where we dive into weird instrumentals. But remember, this was 1969, height of, well, I guess there was no height of drug use. There's been drug use forever in the United States and around the world. But I imagine there was quite a lot of drug use going on there.
All the dream is gone, and I sink once again to the ground. But I'm just as high in a rut looking up as I was on a cloud looking down.
I like that turn of phrase and that sentiment. I'm just as high in this rut looking up as I was on a cloud looking down. I like that. That is a good sentiment. Are they saying gloom, gloom? Gloom, gloom? 1969 was a weird time, wasn't it? A bit of an odd song, but not a bad song. In fact, it's just really, it's a love song, but that's okay. I mean, songs are written on common emotions, common emotions and common themes because we're all human, and thus by talking about a common theme, you're going to be talking about something that affects most people. And love is something that most people at least know of, even if they've never experienced it. So that was pretty cool, and I sincerely hope that you enjoyed that even half as much as I did. I don't really have anything fascinating to say about that. I just wanted to share that with you. I like to do reaction videos on comments that people make, but I also do like to share some of the stuff that I have heard through my life so I can share it with you. Share it. I want to share it with the people that I think are important to me, and that is you. YouTube saved my life. When my wife died, I gave up and I was ready to die myself, and I was on my way. But I was terrified, reached out for a lifeline, and that was YouTube. You saved my life, and I like to share things with people that are important to me, and that's you. So thumbs up. Hey, if you could visit some of the links I got down there, that would be awesome. I've got quite a few. I've added my newly resurrected blog in there, so thumbs up on that. If you could toss me a like, that would be cool. I do appreciate positive validation for my existence, so thumbs up on that. If you could subscribe, that would be awesome as well, but only if you're ready. Pity subscriptions, not needed or wanted. They don't help me. They really don't help you. They don't help anybody. But if you're down with it, then thumbs up. Hope to keep you forever and ever and ever. After all, I can make pies and salads out of you, because even in hard economic times, a guy has to eat. Thumbs up. Well, hey, you take care. Have a great day today. I'm really feeling Italian today. I'm talking with my hands, so thumbs up on that. You take care. I will see you on the flip side. I'm hoping to get Resident Evil 7 Biohazard, so here's hoping. You take care. I'll see you on the flip side. And that, my friend, is a very good thing. Oh, and by